Hi everyone, how's it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be making a wig, as you can see here, and I have all my items which I'm going to be using, which is the comb, the glue, and of course my mannequin head. Now what I'm going to be doing, the hair I'm using, it is from Keisenobles Beauty Supplies, and also it is the body wave hair. I basically just went through and I did not cut the hair any at all, because you know it's human hair and I'm going to be reusing this hair. So all I did was just use the flip method. Now I am not a pro at this. It's the very first time I'm doing the hair, and I'm basically just using the pins to stick in the mannequin head because it's a foam head. Alright, and also it is 3 packs of hair which I actually used. So I did the first 2 packs, which brought me to more than halfway of the head. And guys, the hair, it feels so good. I love it so very much. So what I did, because I was outside, I did not use a blow dryer, right? So I just allowed it to dry naturally. I also went ahead and I used the concealer to just mark the top of the head there, so I'll know where I need to do the U. Also guys, you saw where I had the plastic on the mannequin head. I just did that because I did not want to get my head dirty. Alright, so I just put the plastic under it, and then I'm just basically just using that. Now what you would see for me to close the U, or for me to do a closure, because I'm not using a actual closer, I'm trying to make one for myself. So I now started to cut the hair, doing it in little strips going across at the top. So the only part which got cut was just the part to the front there. Now after I have done that, you would realize now that the hair, it is just covering all over and the comb is going through. Guys, this hair, it does not shed or anything. This is one of the best human hairs that I have. And as I said, it is from Keisenobles Beauty Supplies. I'm going to be putting the link there in the description area. So if you want to go and check them out, you can check them out and get your hair. They have body wave, straight hair, and some other hairs there where you're able to choose from. And also to let you know the length of this hair which I'm using, I use the 14-inch, 16-inch, and the 18-inch. So I actually put the 18-inch to the very top of the hair. That is the last one which I put in. When I was putting them in, I went with the 14-inch first to put at the back. Alright, what you're going to see me doing here now is to get the part. So I want to get a center part. So I have to go ahead now and try my very best to see if I can get the part in the center. So all I will do to get that is just to part it out with the comb. Of course, you're not going to be seeing the root as yet, so I will have to go in with a scissors. I see where some people, they use a nail nipper to go in and they will nip that out, or they will use a tweezer. I'm not very good at the tweezers, so I am going this old-fashioned way, which is using the scissors just to snip away some of the hair. Now you cannot snip away too much of the hair because you will lose it. Alright, so I'm just basically just going through and just like slightly cutting it, so I'm able to create the part which I'm looking for. Now you cannot make any cuts on the knots, right? You have to only cut the hair, and that is what I did, and I have it there. Voila! Alright, so guys, what I did also after I finished, because I want to make sure that I have the hair, not the hair, I want to have the part more defined. So what I did, I just went in with some mousse and just used the mousse to just define the part some more. So that was done, and I am super loving it. Alright guys, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be moussing the hair, and then I am going to be putting them on rods. So I'm going to be putting the hair on rods just so I can have some more defined curls. I want to have my hair more defined and looking very lush and just bouncy, just like me. Yes, so that was why I basically just went ahead and used the mousse to define the curls some more. You do not have to do this. You can basically just wear the hair just as it is after you have installed it. But because I wanted to have my curls more defined, I went ahead and I added the rods to make sure that they are more bouncy. So that's what you saw there, and I'm just going to do that for the entire head, and yeah, just to make sure that it's all popping. I'm really loving the outcome of this, and as I said, it's my first time, and I think I did very well. I'm very pleased with it, and I'm basically wearing this hair out. Yes guys, if you have tried making your wig yourself, you can let me know in the comment area as well. But if you have not, if you have never done so, just let me know. All right, and if you plan on doing that, also let me know as well. What I did in order to make my center part more pronounced as well, I used my concealer, and I did that, you know, just to make it look like it was my root. And then after I did that, I realized that it was a little bit too light for me, so I went in and I used my my contour. I used my contour palette and I used the darker part of that, and that's what gave me a more natural look like mine. So I'm going in now just to show you exactly how it looks, and I'm very pleased with it. Also on the inside guys, you will see where all the glue marks are, and I'm happy that I had actually put the plastic over the mannequin head, because imagine my mannequin with all of that there. Now I did my makeup, and yeah, I have on these lashes as well. And just to let you know, the lashes, they are also from Keisenobles Beauty Supplies, and they are some 3D lashes. If you need to get those, you can also get them as well from Keisenobles Beauty Supplies, and I'm going to be putting the link for those also in the description area. Alright, now I just want to get these rods out of my hair so I'm able to just show you exactly how bouncy it is, guys. I tell you, it is something to die for. I'm so excited. I'm so happy about this. And I know you are all saying, yes, Ali, you came out. You came through with this wig, girl. Look at those curls. They are so defined, so bouncy. And look at that. Voila. What I love about it, guys, is that I'm able to use this here and do it in any style, and because of how it was done, you are not even able to see any marks. I'm able to go ahead and I can even pull the front there. I can go ahead and pull the front to make some edges and the whole works. It was a lot of fun doing this wig, and I hope you do enjoy this video as well, where I'm able to make my own wig, guys. Yes, so I can wear this here in center part, I can put it in side part, I can even catch it up if I need to put it in a little ponytail. It is just a lot of fun doing this here. What I also realized as well, guys, is that because of the hairstyle which I am wearing now, my natural hair, I had shaved the sides of my head, so the clips which are in my hair, which was in the wig, I'm sorry, it was not able to hold my hair to the side. So what I have to do when I'm wearing this hair, I'll have to put some bobby pins in it to hold down my hair. Yes, it has the elastic band in it, but the elastic band alone is not going to work for me. I have to use some bobby pins to just push down in my hair also to hold it firmer. Yes, I'm just feeling myself here, guys. Yes, 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 you know your girl already with a little bit of extra. Alright, so that's basically it. I thank you so very much for sticking around and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So take care now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.